Hey beauties, it's Erin Ng. Spring's finally here, and you know what that means? Fresh nails. I'm so excited to show you the 6 new dreamy and glowy shades from the Gelish Prism Blooms collection. Let's dive right in. First up is Catching Some Glaze. It's a delicate, mesmerizing rainbow shimmer. It's the kind of shades that will make you staring at your nails all day. Have you ever wished to wear sunshine off your nails? Say hello to sunburst your bubble. This soft yellow pearl radiates warmth and positivity. It's a flattering shade on all skin tones. If you love a refreshing splash of color, you will love mint from me. This light teal cream serves serious clean girl chic energy. Totally meant to be. Now for a little bit of sweetness. Berrylicious Bliss. This light gray cream is soft but full of personality, giving your nails the fun, fruity vibe that just screams springtime fun. For the ultimate girly glow, you have to try Citrus Halo. It's a coral pink pearl that shines with the just right amount of shimmer. Bright, feminine, full of springtime energy. Saving the best for last. Lucidly Lavender. This purpley pearl is soft, elegant, and enchanting. It's the perfect finishing touch for floral-inspired mani. And that's the Gelish Prism Bloom Spring 2026 collection. I've been making gorgeous nail art with this collection. You're gonna love it.